Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix action blocked on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on Instagram, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find the home section, search, reels, and lastly right here you're gonna find your profile page. So basically, guys, right now, if you have this problem on Instagram, this has a lot of reasons. One of the reasons why your action is blocked is maybe you're doing a spamming activity, maybe you're spamming comments or spamming messages. So basically, guys, if you're having this problem, then just try to wait, for example, for an hour or 2 hours, and then go back and try to do that action again, and it should be fixed by itself. So you just want to wait it out a little bit until you can actually resend the comment or the message again. You can also try to log out from your account and then log in again. This might fix your problem if it's just a bug or something. So if you want to do that, just go to your profile page. And then once you're here, go ahead and click on the icon in the top right corner. And then once you do that, you're going to be right here. So basically, guys, here you're going to find all of the settings related to your Instagram account. So right now, what you need to do, guys, is scroll all the way down until you find login. Here under login, you're going to find add account, logout, and log out all accounts. So go ahead and log out from your account and then try to log in again and see if your problem is fixed. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.